Okay, it's decision time. So these two jackets, this Max Mara and this very old Alfred Sung store. My good sweaters, this green Prada, this beige and brown Vince, my gray Theory cashmere turtleneck, and my burgundy Acris turtleneck. Those are all clean and going to be stored. This black with the quilting, it's a coat jacket slash sweater from Lafayette 148. My old Vince long charcoal coat sweater. Those are both clean. Actually, I haven't even worn this one yet. This past year, those are going into storage. These two sweaters, my Vince turtleneck and this old one from Gap, they have to be washed. And my three very old blazers, the Max Mara one, the Adriana Vittadini, and the green long Max Mara. Those are all going to be dry cleaned and then stored. So, heavy stuff that I won't wear again, even though I probably could wear the one with the quilting. It's light enough. I could still wear the black Max Mara, and I may yet, but I want to get it cleaned. Most of this other stuff, it's too fallish in color, and so I won't be wearing it. So I'm going to store all this, which leaves me some room in my teeny tiny cupboard.